In this demo video, we're going to help you maximize access to your game using AccelByte's robust backend services. We're going to focus on account creation and legal agreement management, including compliance with GDPR and CCPA. First, we're going to show you how easy it is to register a player account and log into our web portal. We'll also see how to let players link their accounts with all of the major gaming and social media platforms to your game. With AccelByte, you can have your own web portal and launcher to publish your own games. Players can create an account on your platform to purchase and play games and connect with your fan community. This is the front page of our player portal, which can be accessed with a web browser. Players can log into an existing account or sign up for a new one. Players just need to enter some basic information to create an account in our player portal. Collecting players' birthdays allows you to prevent minors from accessing certain content, and of course you can upload your terms of service for your players to agree to. A verification code is sent to the player's email address, which is used to verify their new account. To verify, the player first logs into their new account and then inputs their verification code. We support a variety of gaming and social media platforms for third-party login integration, so your players can access your platform with accounts from Steam, Facebook, Twitch, and others. A headless account will be created for players that log into your platform using third-party credentials. This headless account can easily be upgraded by the player via simple email verification. Players with a headed account on your platform can also link their third-party accounts. For example, if a player without an account on your platform logs in with their Xbox account, a headless account will be created for them with their Xbox account linked to it. Players can also link their third-party gaming and social media accounts from the account management page. Here, a player is linking their Steam account to their player portal account. The player is prompted to log into Steam and confirm that they want to link the account. And once they're logged in, the account linking is complete. The account management page shows the games the players own and their linked accounts. When you enable third-party account linking in your game, you allow your players to enjoy cross-platform play and progression. This lets your players pick up and continue your game on any platform they choose. After linking their account, the player can access their save data from any platform they play your game on. To manage third-party access to your game, head to our admin portal. Here you can easily add a new platform for your players or activate or deactivate a previously selected platform. Single sign-on is also easy to configure for your players. Next, we're going to check out our tools for managing player accounts. These include age restrictions, ban management, session management, and viewing logs in our admin portal. Our admin portal includes flexible age restrictions that you can set for each country and change on the fly, making it easy to stay in compliance with changing regulations. Player records can be found in the Users menu. If you click View to open a record, you'll see detailed information about the player and find a lot of options for managing their account. Many of these options can be found in different tabs that you can browse from the links at the top of the panel. In the Bans tab, game admins can revoke a player's access to specific resources in the game or to the whole game for a definite amount of time or indefinitely. Players' ban history can also be viewed here, and existing bans can be activated or deactivated. In the Sessions tab, you can manage active player sessions. Complete data about each session is listed, making them easy to identify. In case of any security concerns, it's easy to revoke any or all active sessions with the click of a button. Game sessions can also be managed the same way from the Game Sessions tab. Complete data is provided for any active session and can be reviewed if the session encounters any issues. Finally, the Logs tab contains player logs. Here you'll see a list of logs and be able to filter them by timestamp or namespace to find the log you need. These logs contain detailed information about each game session that can help you troubleshoot any issues that arise. In this section, we're going to show you how to manage user access to resources with roles and permissions. Our platform allows you to quickly grant access to resources to large numbers of users, while also providing highly granular role customization for individual users. Here you can see your organization's existing roles or create a new one. When you create a new role, you can name it, make that role an admin role, and decide whether or not the users with this role should be able to access all namespaces. After creating the role, you can review and further manage it. The role's admin status and even the role itself can be enabled or disabled, and members can be added. You can also add permissions to the role, which grants access to those resources to every user assigned to it. All you need to add a permission to a role is a permission tag and the actions the permission requires. A permission tag is a unique string that guards each of our endpoints. And permission tags that start with admin define access to certain menus and operations in the admin portal. We provide a complete list of permission tags in our documentation, so it's easy to find the one you need and paste it here. Admin users can also create new users by filling out a simple form, so new team members can be quickly added to the admin portal. The new user can easily be assigned roles and can be made an admin by being assigned an admin role. In this section, we're going to show you how our platform helps manage and track legal agreement acceptance. Not only can you manage and track acceptance of terms of service agreements or privacy policies, but you can even track players' marketing preferences, such as whether a player would like to receive updates via email. Here, you'll find a list of all your legal documents. You can easily create a new document, open existing documents, or update their title or region. Opening a legal document shows you the current and previous versions of the document and lets you create a new version easily. New versions can be published instantly or can be scheduled for a particular date and time. After a new version of a legal document is published, any affected player will be asked to approve the new legal document next time they log in. In our publishing platforms, players can review the legal agreements they've agreed to. Players can open the documents again whenever they want to review your policies. Back in the admin portal, you can also review player acceptance of your legal documents by opening the user's account. Finally, we'd like to show you how AccelByte's platform can help you ensure GDPR and CCPA compliance in your game. Our platform helps you give your players total control over the account data they share with you. In your game or publishing platform, your players can request a review of the personal data they've shared with you or request their account be deleted. When either of these requests are made, the player's data across all of our services will be collected automatically. Players will receive their account data or any other notifications about their request via email. If a player requests that their account be deleted, they'll still have an opportunity to reverse the request. Requests are held for some time before they're processed, so if the player logs into their account again before their data is removed, the deletion request will be canceled. Personal data requests can also be managed from the admin portal. Here, you can see a list of personal data requests and filter them to focus on active or completed requests. You can also manually cancel any active data request. Data deletion requests are found in their own menu. Just like earlier, you can see a complete list of completed and active requests and cancel any active requests manually. Administrators can also make or cancel personal data or delete account requests from the user's dashboard in the admin portal. This enables customer service representatives to easily make these requests on behalf of players. With a robust yet flexible backend in place, managing access to your game doesn't have to be a chore. AccelByte has all the tools you need to give your team and your players the access to your game and platform they need. For inquiries and more information, please visit our website at accelbyte.io.